Now you're probably thinking that this M3 is the M3, the holy thing that started a legacy and is now worth well into six figures for many examples. If you fall into that category, I'm sorry to spoil your perception, but the E30 doesn't live up to the hype for me. And why would it? This is like any other M3. It's comfortable and it's capable, but it's also the slowest M3, and that makes it not so fun. Good thing number one is where we start, and it's the chassis. It's by far the best part of this car, and there's really no magic here. It's 2,800 pounds, it's rear-wheel drive, it's nicely weighted steering, and it's really tossable. It never beats you up on the road either, and it feels like you could use this car every day. Bad thing number one is the motor. Here's BMW's S14, a 4-cylinder buzz bomb that produces more noise than power, just 192 horsepower. I'm all for savoring the drive. Speed isn't the only thing that matters, but you constantly need to rev this motor to make it move, even if you're doing normal things like pulling out of the driveway. Good thing number two is actually inside. Yeah, this particular example is stunning, with its Evo Sport seats and plaid touches everywhere, but beyond that, the E30 is just comfortable and easy to drive fast right away. It's maybe a little narrow in the footwell, but even my size 13 Nikes can make it work. Bad thing number two is the transmission, and stop me if you've heard this before, but I've tried every M3 with a manual at this point, and I'm just ready to throw in the towel. BMW manual transmissions just aren't very good. This one's rubbery and notchy, it's got a high clutch take-up. It really felt just like driving my old G80. Now it won't stop you from enjoying the drive, but this is not vintage Porsche level. Good thing number three are the looks. This E30 was classic BMW before classic was a thing. The E36 looks significantly different and far less special. Check out the fender flares, and of course these gold BBS wire wheels are the chef's kiss. Bad thing number three, and this is more or less an overall vibe, but this car doesn't feel that special. I think many get confused as to the M3's mission, which isn't to attack back roads or produce fastest laps, but to excel at everything. Remember, BMW almost didn't bring the M3 back for a second generation in the US. We had to convince them, and many sat on lots for months. But now we're told it's special, and you must pay for that with prices that far exceed the driving experience. Overall, I give the E30 M3 a sole score of 6. This is a fun car that's hampered by high expectations, and I prefer pretty much any other M3 generation over this one. As always, I'm Mike from Machines with Souls. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for more new car reviews each week.